How does 3D printing create robot parts in remote areas? Imagine being able to build a robot part right where you need it, without waiting weeks for supplies to arrive. That's the power of three-dimensional printing in remote locations. This technology allows people to produce robot parts on site, saving time and cutting costs. It works by using a digital design of the part, which a special printer then builds layer by layer from materials like plastics or flexible filaments suited for robotics. In remote areas, such as farms, mines, or even space stations, traditional manufacturing can be tough. Shipping parts from distant factories can take days or weeks, and sometimes parts get damaged or lost. With three-dimensional printing, technicians can create parts whenever they need them. They start with a computer file of the part, then load it into a 3D printer. The printer deposits material precisely where it's needed, building complex shapes that are often impossible with traditional methods. This process is especially useful for making robotic arms, wheels, or custom tools. It can produce parts in a matter of hours, not days. For example, if a robot in a mine breaks a component, workers can print a replacement on-site instead of waiting for a shipment. The cost of a 3D printer suitable for this purpose can range from a few $1,000s to around $20,000. The time to print a typical robot part can be from 1 to 10 hours, depending on size and complexity. 3D printing also supports quick testing and modification of parts. Engineers can print a prototype, see how it fits or works, then make adjustments and print again. This flexibility speeds up the development of new robot designs. In addition, it makes repairs easier. If a robot needs a rare or specialized part, it can be printed locally rather than ordered from far away. This reduces downtime and keeps operations running smoothly. For those learning about robotics or building prototypes, 3D printing opens up many opportunities. Hobbyists and students can create parts without large factories or expensive tools. It makes building and experimenting more accessible, even in places with limited resources. Overall, three-dimensional printing transforms how robot parts are made in remote areas by making the process faster, cheaper, and more adaptable to specific needs.